Move up and get down when you're in the house. And you in the birdhouse now, but it ain't right. The thing of all the things I'm going to put the crowd in motion. No, like a potion. Raise your fist like this, fuck the dumb shit. The gun shit is out for come full of function. Once put the score, gotta back up. I act up, smack up the mic and get up. Because I ain't let him in. Sick as the floor, another taking their medicine. Dr. Rock, now he's fucking the house. Turn it down. That's what it's about. Having a good time to a funky round, funky groove, dude. I knew you throwing up in the roof. I'll bust your ass like when you go in the show the flow of a pro, so act like you know. Fall it down. Ain't no way out of this. You're all in now. Let me hear you say ho and out, bang out. 40 and funk, jump, drink it down. Out now, round down, now I'm gonna show you. Bourbon rock it the way you're supposed to. Folks on the river renegade, trying to get paid. Glad you stayed. Can ignore us, come before us one more time and we go to the chorus. Fall in now. Ain't no way out of this. You're all in now. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Get your body learn the rhythm. Dance all night long. Ain't nothing wrong. It's just another funky song. Let your body learn the rhythm. Dance all night long. Ain't nothing wrong. It's just another funky song. I'll begin with your chance to do the hump. I mean you wanna jump, bump what I'm bumping, then only give it zone. Like a down about a little more bad till I'm all like the good. I wish you would cut the shit, get up and down like I knew you could. Took to the floor, jump up back your seat and I'm babbing. I can just feel like Cypress Hill when I chill on stage and watch the motherfuckers get killed. And the spill from my grill words of wisdom, I kick up and trigger like a silly ribbon. I gotta have it like Pepsi, step to me. I'll happily wax your ass like I'm on the edge of a ledge and I'm still gonna jump around like Baryshnikov.